Hi everyone, Deb here. I am doubling up 2 collabs today, and I'm not really totally happy with either one of these because I kind of lost my mojo, but I'll show them anyway. So for Deck the Year, we can do anything, right? So I did an altered playing card, but this is going to double as the ATC for Polly's Pretty's Coloring and Crafting Day 2, which was Ocean Water, Color Teal, and ATC card. And I did these to go together. Also, this also counts for Deck the Year, but it's still kind of wet. It's week 24, and it's an altered index card, which of course is upside down. And Polly's collab is called Mermaids Ocean 2025, and this is for day 12 and day 2. Day 2 was Ocean slash Water Color Teal ATC card, and day 12 was Ship or Boat, and a metal item. Well, this sort of looks metal, and the anchor's almost as big as the boat, but I found these little dragonfly trinkets. That's the only metal I could find that I was going to put it in the sky, but I needed something in this corner. And this says Making Time with Waves, which I just happen to have in my stash, and I hope it didn't come off something because felt like it was stuck to something else. So all I did is I used peacock feathers, which is close to a teal, and Uncharted Mariner at the bottom. So between those two, I think I have teal. Now I have a teal paper pad, but I didn't use it. And Broken China for the sky. And then I did spritz it all with water and dried it with the paper towel, so it kind of gave it that background. And then after that dried, I put this on and then this. And then I wanted some clouds in the sky. It looked like it needed something, so I used a white Posca pen, which is acrylic paint, I believe. And this is the 3 millimeter, I guess. And this is an old retired stencil from Stampin' Up! From a pack retired in June 2020 pattern party, but I loved the cloud stencil, so I kept all of them. And then I used this Studio G glitter glue. It's like a iridescent clear kind of thing, and put it on the inside of the clouds. And also I took that pen and made more lines. I probably went a little overboard on the lines because the waves had the white, right? And but I had to make them sparkle. So yeah, they sparkle. So that's my weird little childish card. The stickles, well, the glitter glue is still wet. I could draw a little seagull or something up here. I might. And I feel like this needs something, but these are stickers. These and these are stickers out of this pack, which I had never used. And this has waves on it. Also footprints in the sand. And it's ocean, clearly. And this says explore, I think. Yeah, explore. And then I just put a fish on. Once this dries, I was thinking I could just put this right here, or this could be a tuck. I was actually thinking of gluing this down here, or I might make it a flip, like right here, to have on a page, but I don't have a page. I don't have a book. So I'll keep them together and see what happens with that. Let me know your thoughts. What would you do? This was a scrap from an old Stampin' Up! Paper. I don't know which one because it was just in with my Mermaid Ocean stuff and loose. And I have one more like half sheet of that same one. But it's not really teal. But I went around the edges of that with peacock feathers, which is this sort of teal green. This is more sea foam for sea, but it's definitely water and waves, right? The ocean. So, and I added ocean here. So I guess I met the requirements. Not totally happy with my childish. I'm not an artist, guys. I just like to craft and make things. I'm better with paper, but I like to play around with mixed media a little bit. And so I just used the oxides and spritzed them and got some of this fading stuff going on with I spritzed it and then I dabbed it with paper towel. So that's it for hashtag Deck the Year week. 24, I think it is. Hang on. I wrote it down. Hang on. 24, June 12th, 2025, and also weeks 2 and 12 of the Mermaid Ocean 2025, hosted by Polly's Pretty's Coloring and Crafting. You'll probably see a few more days from me for that, but maybe not all 30 of them because, yeah, I don't think I'm going to have time the rest of this month to catch up, but we'll see. I might do a, quite a few of them, then keep all this stuff together, and then at some point I can make a book or something. I haven't decided what kind of book I want to do yet, and I've seen some really beautiful things though, so use the hashtag. I'll put them both down below and see what others are making because there's some really beautiful stuff out there. Okay, guys? Take care. Have a wonderful Thursday and weekend ahead. Okay? Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.